When the flywheel of an improved steam engine rotates at a constant speed in a factory, the roar of steam pushing the piston breaks the tranquility of the countryside, and countless textile machines and mine pumps thus obtain a steady stream of power behind this. The wisdom of James Watt is indispensable, unlike Newton, who analyzed the mechanical laws of the universe, or Darwin, who decoded the evolutionary mysteries of life. He revolutionized steam power, bringing humanity from the era of manual production to the industrial era of roaring machines. From a repairman at the University of Glasgow to an inventor who changed the world, from the subtle improvement of the Newcomen steam engine to the systematic construction of the modern steam engine, Watt tells the great journey of humanity breaking the boundaries of productivity through technological breakthroughs with every observation, every experiment, and every improvement. James Watt was born in Greenock, near Glasgow, Scotland. His father was a shipbuilder and merchant, and his mother came from an educated family. As a child, Watt was frail and sickly, and could not receive a systematic school education like other children. However, under the influence of his family environment, he showed a strong interest in machinery at an early age. He often sneaked into his father's workshop, disassembled clocks, repaired tools, and observed the mysteries of mechanical operation. His mother taught him to read mathematics and physics books, laying a solid scientific foundation for him. In 1757, Watt returned to Scotland, recommended by others, entered the University of Glasgow as an instrument repairman. This seemingly ordinary job became an important turning point in his scientific career. In 1763, the University of Glasgow received a model of a Newcomen steam engine that needed repair. This was a power device, widely used for pumping water in mines at that time. But its efficiency was extremely low. It needed to stop and heat the cylinder every few minutes, and a lot of heat was wasted. It was this repair task that made Watt forge an indissoluble bond with the steam engine and embark on the road of exploring the improvement of the steam engine. Watt's greatest achievement was the systematic improvement of the Newcomen steam engine, creating an efficient and versatile Watt steam engine, which completely changed the way humans obtain power and directly promoted the outbreak of the First Industrial Revolution. In 1765, Watt finally found a solution, inventing the separate condenser. He added an independent condenser to the original steam engine. In 1774, the first Watt steam engine equipped with a separate condenser was successfully launched and put into use in mines, with effects far exceeding those of the Newcomen steam engine. Since then, Watt did not stop exploring, but made a series of key improvements to the steam engine, turning it from a special machine for pumping water into a universal power machine suitable for various industries. In 1784, Watt obtained a patent for the improved steam engine. Since then, the Watt steam engine quickly spread in Britain and even Europe. By the early Schutzodwin century, almost all factories in Britain used the Watt steam engine as power, and the textile industry, iron and steel industry, and transportation industry ushered in explosive development. This is the famous Industrial Revolution in history, and the Watt steam engine was precisely the core power of this revolution. The invention of the Watt steam engine was not only a technological breakthrough, but also a profound social change. Its influence penetrated into various fields, such as economy, transportation, and social structure, reshaping the development trajectory of human civilization. Today, when we take high-speed trains, use electricity, and enjoy modern industrial products, we should thank Watt. It was his wisdom that freed humanity from dependence on natural power and opened the door to industrial civilization. It was his spirit that inspired generations of scientific and technological workers to promote the continuous progress of human civilization through technological innovation. As Engels said, the steam engine is the first truly international invention, and the historical significance of this invention cannot be overstated. James Watt, this mechanical genius, who ignited the Industrial Revolution, will always be remembered in the history of human civilization.